If you want to maintain your privacy while using the ESPN Plus, hiding your online status is a good option. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open the ESPN Plus app. Launch the ESPN Plus app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option in the app. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Look for the Privacy Settings section within your account settings. This is where you can manage who can see your online status. Step 4. Adjust online status. In the Privacy Settings, locate the option for Online Status Visibility. Change the setting to Hide or Off to ensure that others cannot see when you are online. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save the changes. Exit the settings and return to the main screen of the app. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on the ESPN Plus. Enjoy your viewing experience with added privacy.